So today we're going to talk a little bit about why you should not fly to countries like Mexico and Dominican Republic to get your dental implants done. Many of my patients ask this question, and it's a very, very valid question to ask. Many of them go to these countries because it's less costly than having an implant done in the US. But there are many complications that can happen, which may make it not only more inconvenient to have to deal with, but also in the long run more costly. So the first thing would be complications. There are often complications that can happen with surgery, and it can be as simple as the surgery or the implant not healing as well or as quickly as we would want. And so that would require you to go to the dentist for numerous follow-ups to make sure that things are healing as they should be. And each person is different and your healing abilities are going to be different. So if this is the case, then flying back and forth for follow-ups and just being unsure if that is actually healing correctly can not only be costly with the flights that you're taking and the hotel stays that you have to account for, but also the time that it takes for you to take off work for something like that, and just really simply the hassle and the inconvenience. The second thing to consider is the ability to use dental financing. So all of these countries actually don't offer dental financing. Here in the US, we have many different financing companies that will allow you to take out a loan for it, and it makes it easier for you to pay on monthly payments that can be made to be affordable, payment plans that can be made to be affordable. And the last thing is that here in the US, you have legal recourse. So if something didn't happen correctly, you have the ability to say that, you want to have it fixed. And most dentists will work really hard at trying to help you fix the problem, get it fixed, change, the course a little bit so that you can get what you actually want and that you're comfortable with, and that is what you were expecting. So I'm not saying that going to these countries is necessarily a bad thing. What I am saying is that in these countries, there are some really talented, good dentists, and they do great work. I've seen many of them who come and do courses and lectures here that I go to who are really excellent dentists. However, with dental implants, obviously, there are complications that can happen. And one of the things is not necessarily their skill or their ability to do the dentistry. It can even be something as simple as the way the dental implant is packaged, how it is put into the manufacturing and the packaging of those implants, and the type of implants that are available. Here in the US, we are held to a very high standard with our FDA regulations and rules. And I do know that the way things are even packaged here in the US versus packaged for other countries is different. So it's definitely questions to consider when you're thinking of going out of the country for our dental implants. And when most of my patients ask these questions, it really is the affordability and the cost of implants that they are considering. And for this reason, speak to your dentist, speak to us, because there are many payment plans that we can get for you that can make this affordable and an easier experience for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 954-566-7479. More than happy to answer them for you.